here. So here's the silverado kit that I have for the sliding iPad. Behind it gonna be iPad mini. So you're taking your iPad, you have to put some tape over it just because few edges here is kind of sharp, so you're putting the tape over it, and I would recommend to put like everywhere tape. So the more tape you put in here, it's gonna be more kind of like stable there. So there is a kind of a place like where to slide through, just like this. Kind of need some like wiggle here and there. It's pretty much going inside. Just like this. So it's not falling. So it's not falling outside or something. And there is a place, it's plenty of space to put your fingerprint, and you can put it here on this side or on that side. It's up to you. And there is also cameras here for like FaceTime, so it's pretty neat. And also you have to put this thing back, just goes right inside. So you have to have your own air conditioning controls and a 12-volt sockets and whatever buttons that you have it here. So I have my controls. So just like this. Just like this. And to fix it so it will not slide back and forth, so you just put your cable, the 12-volt cable, and just put like some kind of tape, like double-side tape or something, so it will not move. But you might just move left, and right, just because it's needed that support kind of. So this is gonna be for the rear wheel drive. So it's not falling out or anything. So you have to kind of slide your original player kind of back, or relocate to a glove box or anywhere else. And I didn't touch this part, so it's so you don't have to paint it or anything, so it's all original here.